Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy crypto on Ellipal. We will explore an incredibly easy method to acquire your favorite digital assets directly through your secure Ellipal cold wallet. This process is designed for simplicity, ensuring a smooth experience for everyone. You will learn how to fund your account, select your desired cryptocurrency, and complete your purchase in just a few straightforward steps, all while maintaining top-tier security. First, you will need to fund your Ellipal account. Open your Ellipal app and navigate to the Buy Crypto section. Here, you can select your local fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros, and choose a convenient payment method. Options typically include bank transfers, credit cards, or other third-party services. Make sure you have sufficient funds available to cover your intended purchase amount and any associated fees. Now, let's select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Within the Buy Crypto interface, you will see a wide array of digital assets available. Simply tap on your desired coin, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, enter the amount of fiat currency you want to spend or the specific quantity of crypto you wish to receive. The system will automatically calculate the conversion based on current market rates. The final step is to confirm your purchase. A summary screen will display all the transaction details, including the amount, the cryptocurrency, and any fees. Take a moment to review everything thoroughly. Once you are satisfied, confirm the transaction using your Ellipal security password or fingerprint. Your new cryptocurrency will then be processed and securely deposited directly into your Ellipal cold wallet, typically within a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.